let us now move over to removing the background. Now remember the method that we used. You move over to your eraser tool, select the background eraser, set this to sample once, set the limits to contiguous and your tolerance to something like 90. And all you have to do here is click, press OK on this, and then just erase. It will take out your background very well. And that works most of the time. But remember, you can still use your blend modes. So let us consider that also. So if this has a white background, what blend mode here would blend it into our design? So if you go to something like divide, it gives you that white cutout of your icon. So you can scroll through this and find something else that might also work. Darker color gives you a black one. And depending on the color of the background that you have, you can use either. So the white one or the black one. But my method is this one because we want to change the color of that icon. So here we are and we have it here. How about I double click here on the layer style, move over to our drop shadow, change the drop shadow to blue because we're working on a pink background, and then do some adjustments here and there. You might also just want to push it to a color that is already on the canvas. So color overlay still gets you the same result as we had gotten on the blend modes without that background in play. So that works, and you still have the option of going with your drop shadows. So the idea is to have as many options at your disposal. Keep your options ready and always know them. So let us also use the same method for this one. So I click on this one, move over to my background eraser. We've set everything. And all you have to do here is click, select OK, and then just erase that background. Whatever is considered the background in that image will be erased. Make sure you zoom in. I'm just taking that out. Now, remember you can copy the same properties here. On our clock here, we had some properties here. Right click here and then copy the layer style. Come here, right click and paste that layer style. We get the same result. However, this is on a blue background. The drop shadow for this was blue. So we can come here and readjust for only our drop shadow. Grab your drop shadow here. It is in this color blue. Grab it. You can turn it to that pink. Now, some colors can give you this retro looking aesthetic. So if you notice that that is working with these colors, you can slightly reduce it. Or you can even turn this to black. Let me see. If I turn it to black, yes, it is popping out of my image slightly. I'm getting that separation already. So let's move on to the last one here. Come here, click, and then grab your eraser, click, press OK, and then just erase this. Just erase that background. And for this one, we can still copy the same one. Click on your clock, right click, copy the layer style, come here, right click and paste the layer style. You end up in the same area. So we have them here. So let us do some quick styling. Very quick. We do not want to waste a lot of time on the icons. We do not want them to be so big. So we want to just reduce the size. Just reduce their sizes. And I think this is as much as we will do for the styling. And I am using my grid lines here to keep maintaining the same symmetry. Now something I can add on my shapes here, especially this one and this one, is to return that separation. Remember, as I've said, we keep doing a lot of back and forth. You go in one direction and then you come back a little bit. Once you do a few things, I will see you in the next video.